Joint Action Committee against the unnatural death of Thokchom Roben'S was formed today and demanded thorough investigation into the death of Thokchom Roben, whose body was found charred along with his car at Lamboy Kongnangkong. Demanding prop, the JAC along with Iroshemba Maira Paibis and residents of Iroshemba Makha Laikai states a sit-in today. Speaking to media, JAC convener Irom Pulendro highlighted that Thokchom Roben, a father of two, who was working as a cashier at PHED Imphal West, was found dead inside his burning car at Lamboy Kongnangkong lane number 11 at around 8:30 p.m. on March 1st. Calling the death unnatural and suspicious, Irom Pulendro further demanded relevant authority to investigate the cause of fire and give justice to the deceased and his bereaved family.
Aukiba Marchi Tang Ama Ivan Misigi Numidang Pung Peret Minipu Mata Tamda Roben'S the Mulkong Tongtam Director Yoyama drop Tori Mark drop Tor Matunda Dereka Dudagi Mark Togen Hiva Matung Dagi Togdor Kidre Unipan Faida Maita Pogimong Report Lake Lekai Dugi Mioshina Tambada Adona Haiba Yosi Kamaito Dana Karsi May Horibano Adoga Manung Dagi Man Masana Tonava, Tolok Maram Nakarigi, I was in a Sukimatic Chinganing way, Adona, Nisia say, unnecessary dead boy, Adona, Maria Navasinga, and Maria Nava, Tabaksingo Piraga, Maila Nava, Yosin Agapidura, Manungavadi, Lekai in Waitava, Awa, the Pon Biohana, Mediagi Tonga, Apil Togeri.
While Thokchom Roben's wife, Thokchom Ibe Haibi, explained that the deceased went to attend a function on that day. She further expressed a suspicion as to why Thokchom Roben never tried to escape the car after it caught fire, while also urging relevant authority to investigate on the incident.
I am nothing named Mayamo. I look pagi message lang kadiputo po yun. Mana sa kibasi office ki kayo magpagsa na malay